Good night, and I want to mention something salient to those who would like to write a research paper, particularly when we talk about the scientific one that are related to medical titles, pharmaceutical titles, industry, or biological, chemical, physical. All these titles are difficult. In fact, they do need researchers who are really capable of writing such researches and articles, especially when we talk about things that are not really discussed or debated previously. The matter is concerned those who are highly qualified, highly talented, highly recommended, highly interested, and highly accredited, because things cannot be achieved unless you do hard efforts and determined limitation and certain endings, and that's it. It's not a matter of writing or describing things. It is quietly different. It is pretty difficult. It is rather impossible. Why? It makes you look for things that are not discussed, debated, analyzed, particularly when we talk about things that are related to medical problems, medical dilemmas, medical cases. You need to search for, you need to look for data, and these numbers must be analyzed, and you have to get a program to analyze them statistically. So you need to be a professional in such things with educational statistics, medical statistics, economical statistics, and scientific theories. The framework must be illustrated, and things need to be elucidated precisely, perfectly, and thoroughly. It's not a matter of writing 10 or 20 pages. It, it, it is the matter of finishing such 6 pages that are really needed to be read, discussed, published, and thinking about way for publishing new articles and research. It is not easy, particularly when we talk about Scopus or Clarivate, Thompson. These well-known journals need to get peer-reviewed articles, peer-reviewed researchers, so that they could accept your achievement and accomplishment. Honestly speaking, medical articles are really difficult to be written because things are discussed daily and per hour. Scientists, well-known researchers, famous writers are looking for new things within the advancement of technology and computational programs that are really reflected upon our behaviors and attitudes when we talk about the difference between performance and competence. Also, to agitate and to sum up things within limited time, it is rather strange, extraordinarily, and it is not spontaneous. So the matter does concern and does regard what is called the cycle of writing, the structural procedures of implementing such academic achievements and accomplishments. So the progress will be reflected within the time limitation and duration and period of activation. Also, I would say things that are really difficult to be uh, talked about, especially when we would like to think about the conclusion. We need to think now in a way or a method that is completely uh, unexpected. When we talk about the inductive and the idea of inductive and deductive, the idea of extrinsic and intrinsic, the overt and covert, all these holographic and telegraphic references and impressions are needed, particularly when we talk about the messages that are included within the title and the other processes of dealing with such materials. Also, you must be thinking about things that could help you and support you in a way that must not make you repetitive and narrative, which is not accepted when we talk about medical achievements or medical articles and researches. The key factor, the key words are understood and comprehended within the style of writing, the method of narrating. It concerns what's called the process of analyzing numbers. Numbers are the slogan, the logo, the remarkable indication of the outcomes and results. Nothing can be accepted unless there are numbers that are mentioned within figures, tables, charts, analysis, and the salient one and the paramount thing is about the issue of associating your title, problem, aim with what is called the final step of writing. It is represented by the outcome, the impactful outcome, the impact of achievement. Thanks.